Okay, today I will show you SpeakGPT demo both in mobile. Now SpeakGPT can run in mobile. This is my Android phone and also in the laptop. Okay, the system in mobile or laptop. I will try first in mobile. As you can see, if you see this, there is a microphone icon here, same like in the laptop, yeah. When you touch this, it will listen to your voice and send your prompt, your question, your discussion to ChatGPT. And the response from ChatGPT will be spoken as word. Okay, I will demo this. Okay, I will talk to ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT, how are you today?
Hey there. I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to chat. How can I help you today?
Can we talk about food today?
Absolutely. I love talking about food. What's on your mind? Are you craving something specific, or do you need a recipe recommendation? Let's dive in.
I want ramen. Do you know ramen?
Oh, absolutely. Ramen is fantastic, so many flavors and toppings to choose from. Are you looking for a recipe to make at home or recommendations for a good ramen place nearby? Let me know your preferences.
Okay, I think this is enough for today. Thank you for your explanation, okay?
You're welcome. If you ever have more questions or just want to chat, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Okay, so this is SpeakGPT in mobile, so you can talk while you are chilling in your bedroom or just chilling with ChatGPT while you are in middle of the day. Okay. Now I will demo SpeakGPT in laptop. Okay. So the procedure is same. You just need to click the microphone icon and stop talking with ChatGPT. Hello, how are you today?
Hey there. I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help you with whatever you need. What can I do for you today?
Okay, can we talk about movies today?
Absolutely, I love talking about movies. What kind of movies are you into? Action, comedy, sci-fi, romance, or something else? Let's dive into the world of cinema.
Okay, what do you think about Lord of the Ring?
Ah, The Lord of the Rings. It's a classic fantasy series that's beloved by many, and for good reason. The epic tale of hobbits, wizards, and the battle between good and evil is timeless. The movies, directed by Peter Jackson, did an excellent job bringing J.R.R. Tolkien's world to life. The attention to detail, fantastic characters, and breathtaking landscapes make it a must-watch for any movie enthusiast. Plus, who could forget Gollum? He's such a memorable character. What do you think of the series?
Okay, so that's all the demo. So you can talk with ChatGPT everywhere using your mobile. Okay. Or you can also talk with ChatGPT in your laptop. So both system now is capable, yeah. Okay, I think that's all. If you have any other question or suggestion, you can put in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, so whenever I upload about the update of ChatGPT, so you will get an update also. Thank you for today. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.